We say, lads, what is fucking happening? Let me just get this in. Didn't even send the link. Nice, mate. And added the wrong person. Well, it just doesn't let me home. What's good, boys? W, this is a lovely trade today, man. Very unlucky on gold, but we'll talk about that in a sec. Looks like we've had a real nice DTO tap though of GU, man. We'll see what dollar comes in does for New York. Yes, man, what's good, Brody? My fucking family. Sian, what's good, boy? Pascal, what's good, man? Ralph, what are we saying, bro? What do you think about GU buys? GU buys now, I think, look quite decent. I'm not gonna lie, they look great, but at the same time, I still don't really have a complete bias for the dollar. I don't think the dollar's really going to come down just yet. We've seen no signs of bearishness realistically, so I think we're just going to continue up, to be honest, lads. I honestly think we're just going to continue up. To me, it just kind of makes sense. Can I not move that? Alright. It's not. It's kind of fucking annoying. Can I redo that? Fucked up a little bit, that's alright. I'll do. Sorry, I'm gonna get myself set up on But we've had a nuts retake of that detail. We've had a crazy movement, so maybe we could have some form of a move up. But again, it's difficult just assuming that we're going to start moving up now. There's not been like a big catalyst for that move. Fundamentally, nothing's changed, so we'll have to see. But yeah, unreal trade today on gold. GU. Jimbo had this short Asia sweep from the high to the low. Real nice rebalance again with bias, which was great. Gold. This is what we was looking at on pre-London. I entered this. I cancelled limit because price is just going to start moving off now. So yeah, again, bit of an awkward day for gold again. We was pretty much looking at DTO continuation of buyers. That's what we was looking for. H2 was good, my boy. Did you get in gold? It didn't enter me in the end, bro. It just didn't enter me. So yeah, I'm cancel limit on that, which is annoying. It's alright though, man. I know there's so many more opportunities there. Especially for gold, man. Especially for gold. Steve, what's good, my man? What we saying, Brody? What's good? But yeah, that now means the signals this month is, I believe, 3.5. And then we had, was it 4 point? Let's go back through it. Let's see what the signals has done this month, boys. We're coming to sort of the closing times of this week now, so let's get our results up. We might as well do it together. So, start of October. I've got no audio. Should be able do have audio. What the fuck you on about? So Forex Siggies, what do we have? No, what was this? That wasn't one. Okay, we had that. He had that stop loss on GJ. That's -1. Where did UJ go? That's 1. So Jim Bob had. Oh no, was that? Oh, was that just that one trade? GU. How did GU go? T-Pop smashed. That was today. So what was that? Was it like 3.5? I think today was GU. Does that make sense? Yeah, 3.5. So we had 3.5. Forex. We went from gold to gold. We had the one that started on 3.5, and then we had that gold sale, which was 4.4. Oh wait, that's plus. And then I think we had. I think Jimbo had a loss on gold. So I think what we're up so far for the month is I'll make that 7.11.4 -1, 10.4%. Oh no, -2, sorry, 9.4%. So far this month, great month. Great month. Nuts. All you need as well, again, that's challenge passed. 8%, that's challenge passed. If you trade 10% accounts, you're fucking close to shit. Great month so far. I think that's it. Let me know if I left any upwards. Let me know if I left any up. But I'm counting here 1 gold trade, 2 gold trade, Forex loss, Forex win, gold loss. Let me know if that's right. 5 trades so far this month I think we've had. Is that for the long off on GU, Mem? So I think so far this month, yeah, we're up 9.4%. Still got, I'll make it what? How many trading days we got left of the month? I mean, let's exclude today, because we've already had that dub signal, so. What is it today, 23rd? So Friday, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trading days left. So we'll see if we get anything else. Yeah, for the long. But, boys, let me know if I've actually left one out there, because I don't think I have. I did that quite quickly. But that's essentially how we're doing so far this month on the Siggies, especially after that trade. That's lovely. That's with a few losses in there as well, man. As you're always going to get. We are getting a reversal here with the dollar off this prior day high. Gold is still sort of accumulating within the area that we had this morning. Price never actually come back down to the DTI, man. Which makes me think it can, but there's no way I'm having the limit placed for that long, especially on gold. Anything can fucking happen. See, this is my only problem, right? Looking at this trading range here, this is a bearish trading. I mean, this is not even a trading range. This low to this high isn't a trading range. We're still actually trading within this trading range here. We've not broke a high, nor broke a low. So right now, we're still trading within this bearish fair value. That's why I'm still trying to say, in terms of GU, like, I know we want to start buying because it looks great from an intraday perspective, but do still bear in mind, we are still weak on this, like, 15 to 1 hour time frame. And we are quite weak fundamentally, especially because we've got that stronger dollar. So I would say be careful, right? Especially, again, we don't massively want to be looking at this range just because this range is within our main trading range that we've got right now. So, but again, we're below the prior day 50. I think some small intraday trades you could definitely jump in there. Some real nice momentum coming off of that. But yeah, just be careful with that one. This is still open, I guess. This is still open. Actually got real nice volume there. Just around that DTO area. Bro, Bryce reacted crazy to that DTO, man. More, bro, Maps for EU as well. Holy shit. I mean, DXY comes to the Friday high, so it kind of makes sense. We've had a nice sell-off. Still bear in mind we are bullish, boys, so if you're going for like sells, dollar, buys GU, you just bear in mind that you are just running on. Why have I got my headphone in, bro? It's not even playing Bloomberg, bro. Did YouTube approve my thing, or are they boying it? Oh, it's active, Pat. Hey, boys, by the way, go watch the recent video that Lou just dropped. I think he dropped it yesterday, or the day before, maybe. Boys, make sure you go watch that video, man. It's actually a quality video. Lou's YouTube videos are quality, man. Because I look at it from the perspective if I was starting, right? If I was starting, Lou's videos are great. The way he explains stuff's fucking amazing. Lou's quality at explaining stuff, and he's good at making YouTube videos. Right, let me get the fuck off studio, bro. What the shit? If you're watching me on TikTok, by the way, boys, I stream on YouTube whenever I do these streams. So if you want to come watch it on there, it's obviously just way better. Watch it twice, man. Watch it twice, boys. Watch it twice, man. You'll miss some stuff the first time round. But no, in all seriousness, man, I'm not even just saying it. It is a quality video. Easy to understand. That's the key part. Lou goes through it in depth. We are moving insanely off this fucking DTO, bro. Holy shit. Easy Buys was a nice move as well. Even came for a retap for entry, but I was fixated on GU. Yeah, EG was great. My main positions I wanted to get in really was some shorts, really, because I mean, this is what I wanted this morning for price to continue down a little bit further, but we just didn't see price grab the high. I didn't really pay much attention to EG because EG's been a bastard to me the last few weeks, man. Not coming to Friday 50, missing entry, having a tiny Asia range, man. EG's been painful, man. It has. It actually fucking has. T1, what's good, my Brody? Ben, what we saying? What are the kill zone times, bro? It confuses me with daylight saving. No, so daylight saving, bro, is when the clocks go back or forward, obviously. I mean, if it's daylight saving, the clocks normally go back. And then they go back forward, right? It's what like most of the major countries in the world do. America do it, we do it. I mean, fucking probably loads of other countries do it as well. But daylight are you saying you don't know the kill zones when it is daylight saving? Is that what you're trying to say? Sorry, probably is, because that confuses the fuck out of me, bro, as well, bro. I'll be so honest with you. But again, you pretty much just have to trade everything an hour later. If the clocks go back, right? No, earlier, sorry. Right, so fuck! So you're confusing me now, man. So clocks go back, right? So clocks go... Nah, bro, it's going to start confusing me. What days are the clocks moving? It should be end of this month, innit? End of October. When is daylight saving, bruv? Pretty sure it's end of October, no? It's actually this Sunday, bro. If you keep your chart in New York time, you'll be fine, mate. Yeah. If you keep it in New York time, it will stay the same. They don't change their clocks yet. But it is fucking confusing, bro. Oh no, clocks are going back forward, bro. Sorry, wait, clocks are going forward. I think clocks go forward on October, right? Because daylight saving is coming to an end, I'm assuming. Does that make sense? Bro, Ben, it's bare confusing, bruv. Bare confusing, man. I've been trading for years as well, and it's always fucked to me, every year. Me and Stu will sit there, I swear to God, bro, and we'll have a 30 minutes, like a 45-minute conversation of how this works. Every year. Every year we do the same thing. We're both like, fucking... Mate, it's like it's fucking Newton's fourth law we're trying to learn here. It should be bare. It is bare simple, bro. But it's one of those things, man. It confuses the shit out of me, man. But for example, if the clocks go back forward, right, we'll have to trade an hour later, I guess, right? Does that make sense? I know, it's confusing, man. I don't know if I'm saying that right, man. Don't even hold me to that, bro. I'll be in Spain, so I'm fucked. Now, you're sweet. Spain don't change their clocks, bro. She'll be, actually, see that fuck! It's confusing as shit. It is confusing, bro. Everything I say about it, I'm 50-50 with, so don't even take anything I'm saying. Take everything I'm saying with a fucking handful of salt, bro. When it comes to daylight saving. Me too, mate, whenever it comes around. Yeah, bro, honestly, it's like I get flashbanged. Man, I don't understand what's going on, bro. I do not understand what is going on. That's it, Gold. Yeah, go on, Gold. Just fly. Boys, bear in mind, this would have passed my 200k ACG. I strategically... So I'm up right now. I thought it was 4.5, but I'm up 4.2, I think it is. So we're currently at 4.2 on this gold account that we started last week. This trade would have put me to phase 1 pass, and it would have been lovely. But as you can see, we missed entry by fuck all. Literally fuck all. Yeah? Let's have a look. In fact, let's calculate it. Let's have a look. I make that 5.9 pips. If we're talking gold, it's obviously quite bigger, but we're talking gold, so that's 5.9 pips, bro. Really? Not really, bro. Not really. That's minimal for gold as well, man. It is what it is, though, bro. It is what it is. But this would have passed my funded. I think this is... I need 3.8%, right? This would have passed it. Oh my god. EU, I'll tell you what though, this is the thing. EU's a bit of a different story. You see GU, how we're continuing down, makes sense. We've got the weak pound at the moment. That data we've recently come out was dreadful for our inflation, so we do look weak. We do look weak. We was expecting higher inflation. We look weak as fuck. Our country's shit at the end of the day. So trading EG is not a bad idea to trade to the upside for the main positions on sort of 1 hour to 4 hour. EU, I like the idea of the buys, but the only thing is that's going against it is the dollar. Again, it's the only thing that is really stopping us from jumping in a decent trade here, Wiz. The dollar is fucking all over the gaff, man. All over the gaff. What's up with gold? What do you mean, bro? What do you mean, what's up with gold? It's the worst time of the year for me. I explain it to 200 people a day. Oh, Stu, what? Stu, you understand it now? Mate, I have this thing and I do everything but the grips thing. Like everything but that. Like, bro, I'll put my finger in it. I'm gonna stop. Never mind. Like, fuck! I got weird quick. Jeff literally looks the same today as he did yesterday, taking ages higher and down to low. Stu is in Jer 30. Stu's running quite nice. He's running quite nice. We did have that secondary push. Again, price just didn't come back to his 5 minute. This looked really nice to jump into. Danny, what's good, my brody? What's good, mate? Did you close GU short? Yeah, those are TP'd. I wasn't in these. Lou was in these, and then obviously this was in the signals. But yeah, boys, I didn't jump in GU. I'm not playing. Honestly, I don't want to place any EU GU trades right now. EU GU is my favourite thing to trade right now. Holy shit! Looks like for me right now it's just gold. Taking advantage of gold at the moment. Taking advantage of that shit. Boys, make sure you go watch that recent YouTube video, man. Stop trading ICT without volume. Taking it all the way back to the volume indicator, man. Something we taught ages ago. It's only just a simple volume indication on TradingView, but it is the bollocks. Essentially how to use volume in the markets. If you guys want to understand how to use that, go watch that video, man. Go watch that fucking video. Right, let's get Bloomberg on. I've realised I've actually not had Bloomberg on. Doesn't really fucking matter at the moment anyway. What are we gonna find out? Nothing. Put your finger in it clipped. Fuck you, man. Fuck you, MH. EU longs, I've been biased. Friday high. Looking for the longs to the Friday high. Not bad positions, man. Again, not bad positions. We got CRT. I think that CRT sort of validated now. We got. Ooh. Shut the fuck up. We've actually got some nice CRT formula. Not formed. It's a pretty shitty candle, but we're still there for the liquidity sweep. Evident AI symbolism. What have I just joined? What have I just put on? Wait, Bloomberg stopped their lives? What? Bro. Do you know how mad that is? Bloomberg have been streaming every single day since like 2 years ago on YouTube. Like if you watch their stream, like their stream was literally didn't stop for like a few years. And it must have just stopped today. What the fuck? She's actually kind of buff for like a 50-year-old woman. Let's see her voice. Is her voice annoying? I'll listen if her voice is not annoying. Welcome to 2025 Evident AI Index results. I'm not gonna listen to that. Man, that's crazy, bros. Man, that's nuts. Try and make an announcement at 3 PM which could fuck the markets this afternoon. Definitely, bro. 100% that's going to move the markets. We've not got a piece of data in sight. And it doesn't look like we are going to for the next couple of weeks, maybe, man. Gold bias. I'm still longs gold. Again, this is the position I tried to get in this morning, but prices did not want to let man get in this. Just a few minutes about, but it is what it is, man. I've cancelled order now because, I mean, I don't want to have a limit. Especially when we've got the Trump speech in a bit. But that is going to make a massive impact on the markets, man. A huge impact. Alright, man. 2 seconds, boys. Did you get tagged into gold? No, I didn't get tagged into gold, man. Oh, shit. We actually pulled this yesterday. Well, gold is definitely going to leave without me, man. Again, annoying because we would have passed that funding. What would we look at for EUGU, man, to the upside? Again, I honestly wouldn't just because of that 3 PM news. That's not even in an hour's time, bro. That's not even in an hour's time. Did anyone end up jumping in gold? Because I know a few people did jump in live executions. The delayed CPI data does not come out tomorrow, which is somewhat help. It does come out tomorrow. Nice. Nice. My week's been alright, man. No trades this week so far. I mean, this was what I was looking to get in. Lou got in a few trades though, which was nice. Again, we're up this month. Nicely for the Siggies, so yeah, for me it's been alright, bro. In terms of trades though, I've not seen much for me. I've been staying away from EUGU and gold's just been a bit pain in the arse. Clock change. As of Sunday 26th November the 2nd, anything based on New York time will be an hour earlier till 02 November when New York. Okay. I'm going to have to come back to that, man. I'll be so real. Do, do. God, you fucker. New jumps to G, but just didn't like where the X, Y, and Euro were. That makes sense. That makes sense. Gonna go by at 15 minute further to gap just above where your entry would have been. Oh, you got in here. Nice. Nice, bro. Yeah, I was looking for that DTO continuation of Asia session, pretty much. That was my theory behind this. That was a beautiful quote. That's mint condition as well. No, just kissed me the gold trade, yeah, man. So unlucky. What about TikTok, bro? You guys got anything today or this week? We've nearly already come to that CRT high without even reversing, man. But I feel like that's more of a reason not to get in. Because that's just a liquidity level that we would have sort of aimed for. Yeah, seen it has, bro. It has been dreadful recently, man. Been painful, to say the least. Very painful, man. This H, what we saying, Brody? Oh, looks like we could start reversing here. Cole just don't want to come to that DTO. Just don't, bro. I don't think it will, man. Straight accumulation every day. Trust me, man. It's painful. But I don't think gold will end up coming down, man. I feel like it's just going to continue. Again, bias, right? Bias has been right most times I've jumped into a trade. Just depends on if price actually wants to come to the areas we're asking for, which just it fucking ain't. It's cold, to be fair. Let's see if this actually... Yeah, this looks fucking clean. We're flying as well. We're absolutely flying. What's your strategy? ALG, bro. I traded ALG strategy with main FX pairs. I've not been trading main FX pairs at the moment. I've not been trading my GU and EU. Purely for the reason of the dollar, the confusion with the dollar again. For me, fundamentals are vital, and when I'm struck on my data, I do find it hard to catch the main bias. So, yeah, I'll be honest. My psychology sort of goes down when I don't have fundamentals on my side. So, right now I'm trading gold purely off fundamentals, purely off demand, and yeah, we've been doing well with it, man, for the last few weeks. Now I just really want to see this one. This would have passed my 200k phase 1. So right now I've been trading gold. It's been my main focus, man. What do you think of a GU? Again, like with GU, we're still bearish. Still very bearish. So it's... Again, when it comes to GU and EU, we need to realise that I know we do want to see the weak dollar. I know a lot of us want to see the weak dollar. We're going to see the weak dollar at some point, but nothing's changed yet. So there's been no catalyst to make price move up. So why would it? Continuing down only makes real sense to me. Are you profitable with it? Yes, bro. I've been profitable with it for a good number of years now. What is your gold strategy, though? It can't be ALG. No, it's not ALG, bro. It's a mixture of ALG and DTO, pretty much. Continuation of DTO, and then ALG also. ALG hasn't really been given that many positions for gold. DTO has been great for it. Yes, Adam, what's good, man? Happening, mate. So I'm in that gold trade from the live we were discussing in pre-London. Hoping to pass phase 2. I had my entry slightly higher than you did. Did you get in? I didn't get in, bro. I'm happy you got in, man, but yeah, I didn't get in, bro. Annoyingly. Yeah, it just missed my entry by 5.9 pips. Very small. Very small. What are you saying on the yen? Do you see it reversing now after tapping the daily fair value? Again, like from the daily perspective-ish, I'm more looking for price to continue to the externals now. I called this range perfectly for the yen. This whole daily range here, we called this perfectly. I now want to see price do the next phase in the schematic, which will be taking that external low. We've already come to our internals, so there won't be much of a reason to move up. Again, remember, fundamentally, we are weak for the yen. The currency right now is weak. They're looking to grow, which will obviously anticipate those cut of interest rates. So we will see somewhat of a weaker yen before we see it strong in the future. So I want to see the yen continue to the daily lows. So continuation for sells, GJ buyers, UJ buyers, EJ buyers. Take advantage of those. Remember as well, we had price. I did want to see price come lower to fill this new week opening gap, but we just didn't see price do that. For any of these. For GJ, UJ or EJ, we didn't see price come back to those gaps, which is kind of shit. That would be my only problem with UJ, because I would just be assuming that price would somewhat come to those. Are you trade London or New York? Just London session, my brody. Just London session, man. It's my bread and butter, man. Got to do some stuff, skins for cheap. Ooh. Bro, you know, that's the thing. That's the thing, man. You could actually, I reckon, like back in the day, like if you actually generally had cows and you was able to get cheese, you grew potatoes, you had milk from cows and shit like that, bro. I reckon there is some. Food was probably amazing if you lived like that, man. Like I would love to live like that. I would love that shit. Oh yeah, New York has been moving cleaner than London, 100%, bro. Hence why I've not got that many trades, man. But I wouldn't even say New York's been moving great though, man. I wouldn't even say that New York's been moving great. It's just the fact that London's been so shit. It's more the fact that the London session's been so dry. Any new sources to stay on top of Japanese fundamentals, preferably in English. I'll be honest, bro. The only thing not much right now. We need data from the yen now. That's what we need. Obviously, we've got that new prime minister. So now we just need data. To be brutally honest, that's sort of what I'll be basing the next bits of price action off. The yen's gone quite quiet. Japan's got a bit quiet for the time being in terms of news and stuff like that. But very fucking important, man. Very important. I agree, Skull, man. I agree, bro. I think the market's been dry this whole week as well, man. I've got nothing. I've got nothing. Nothing. I don't know why London's been moving so horribly. Volume, bro. I'd say volume-wise. And historically, we do have lower volume in sort of like these times of the year. Right now, the markets are so confused. No one knows where to put their money, and safe assets have been booming. When safe assets boom, we normally get volatility and volume come out. Well, volatility go up and volume come out of currencies and stuff like that. We're seeing stock market booms, so we're seeing a lot of money get driven towards stock markets, safe havens. That's why. That's why we've not been seeing crazy movements with currencies, because we've been seeing money get pushed into safe havens. Bonds are going mental as well. We see bond yields coming down quite a lot for the US 10-year. Where are we at for the US 10-year? GB10's come down a lot as well. It's up a little bit today, but it's come down quite a lot. Normally when we do see price come down on yields, we are normally dovish from the interest rate and from the monetary policy perspective. And we can see that traders are favouring those safe haven assets, man. So that's why we're seeing a massive drop of volume. But again, it's the same thing in New York, man. I wouldn't necessarily say New York's greater. More movement because of more volatility, but normally when we have low volume, we normally do have higher volatility, right? That's normally how it works. Illiquid markets, we call that. Sapnin John Marbrody. Another scammer who thinks he's a profitable trader. Stick to selling courses. Good one, LBN Mohammed. Did that make you feel better, brother? Bro, tune into your other lives. Quite helpful, thank you. Anytime, my man. Anytime, broski. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that was his entry. Yeah, mate, just a bit lower. 4095. Oh, nice. Oh, what? Did you get off this 15? As well? Looks like that's where most people got in on there. Could GU go back to London low? 100%, bro. 100%. Without a shadow of a doubt it can. 100%. Bearing in mind, continuation of price would be coming towards this external low here. Towards this Friday low. I can only assume price is going to come pull towards those areas. So, bro, 100%, man. I feel like that's got more of a chance than doing that than coming to grab this Friday high. Just an effort of where orders are. EU, I think's possibly got a different story, man. I'll keep peeled on here. Again, it's mainly because of the higher time frame area we're coming out of. This is that 4-hour imbalance we're looking at on EU. And we have seen somewhat of a decent reaction, sort of 15 to the 1 hour time frame. We filled all the imbalances to the left. So if price starts to come up here, it kind of makes sense, man. Still got a CRT higher to complete though, man. Yes, Al Trader, what's good, man? I'm good, bro. Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you. Yes, Louis, or is it Lewis? Louis or Lewis? I think that's Louis, innit? What we saying, my brody? How you been, man? But honestly, boys, I'm just happy we've had a decent Siggy today. I'm just happy we've been able, someone in our group's been able to nap something in. Gold's obviously still fucking flying. Fuck. That's actually annoying, man. No, nothing. I had this. I had the limit set on gold for this long, but as you can see, pricing just didn't come back to my entry. It is what it is, though, man. What do you think about AUD USD? AUD USD. Fundamentally, right now, I would just assume that we're bullish. I mean, the Aussie dollar... well, again, the Aussie dollar could be strong because gold's going up. Normally, we do see the Aussie dollar go up when we have gold. AUD USD. But obviously, we do have a very strong dollar right now. That's the exact reason why we are not moving. The reason why AUD USD is not moving is for one reason only. We have a strong... gold, and we got a strong dollar. Normally when we see gold boom, we also see the Aussie dollar boom. Very rich in gold country, you do normally see normally see local currency of Australia go up. And this is why we're having such a big accumulation. I would not say AUD USD is a great currency to be trading right now. We're seeing this huge consolidation, which we've been in for the last 2 weeks. Mainly bearish by the looks of it, right? I would say we do have a very strong dollar. So I'd say main positions would be shorts. And again, in terms of structure, it only makes sense. But bearing in mind, we are just trading within that prior week range. So we'll see, man. Why aren't you taking gold right now? It could easily go to 280. Because I'm not impulsive with my trading, bro. If I was impulsive, I would not be profitable. That's a fact. I would not be. No one would be. It's just impulsive trading. It's not the way we trade, man. I'm on the sell lower time frame. Makes sense, bro. If I'm being honest, that's probably the best order to jump into. Shorts. Do you know what I'm saying? Why aren't we taking it to 6k? You could easily go there. Do you know what I mean? It's just impulsive as well, boys. If I had a position I was looking at for here, why would I jump in later here? And then what trade am I going to be jumping in? Think about it, right? If I want to place a position here, cool, I'll place a position here. One is the execution, which I don't normally do. Two, stop loss is going to be, for me, minimum this low, because we could definitely retrace and fill all these fair values before moving back up again. And then if I aim for the same target, look at that fucking 1-to-1. I would not bother putting 1% on that, bro. I would not bother. So that's the reason why I don't jump into the market late. There's no need to. Do you know what I'm saying? I'm already, like I said, I'm already up 8.3k on that 200k. No need to rush. Rushing in trade only gets you bent over and creamed in. That's a fact. I hope that's allowed on TikTok. You'll realise why it's not the best. That's not the best way to trade. You'll realise, brother. Are you in longs, G? I had a limit on this. I had my limit set. Of course I did. But we didn't come back down to fucking entry, so... Sadly, we aren't in this, cunt. Also, what time frame is the volume tool used to be? It's in this one, bro. It's where, like, the long and short position is. Boys, just favourite, man. If you haven't got, like, one of these favourite bar, hot bar things, boys, use that, man. I just realised I never use it. I only just realised I actually never ever use this, bro. Never use. I'm gonna start using this as well. I don't know why don't use this. I'm gonna start using that, man. It's so much easier. I actually don't know why I don't use that. I was just about to say, bro, use this. It's way easier, but I don't use it myself. Dickhead. What a dickhead. Also, what time frame is the volume tool supposed to be used on? The market's a fractal, brother. And what that means is anything that happens on a higher happens on a lower. It does not matter. Any tool like the volume is not subjected to a singular time frame. You can use it on whatever time frame. Again, just remember, you've got to have a strategy around it, though, man. Remember, it's not all just... you got to have a strategy around it. That strategy could be on the 1 hour. That strategy could be on the 5, 15. Doesn't mean it's more or less profitable. Just whatever's best for you, man. So once you mark out the range, I'm actually pissed I'm not in this right now. No, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not lying. So once you mark out the range of the high to the low, the point with the most volume is where you are looking for an entry. Exactly. The higher volume, the higher chance price is coming back to it. Again, that is why the DTO works so well. I mean, I'm saying that, but price fucking didn't come down to it today. But that's the reason why the DTO works so well. You notice that there's high volume around DTO. Price loves to come back to high volume areas. DTO is one of those. Let's have a look where the best place was to enter, though, in this range. So this was the best place to enter, exactly at the DTO point. You see that? Exactly at the DTO point. Is that the same? Okay, these are quite similar. These points are quite similar. But yeah, DTO. I was looking to it in there, but oh yeah, let's not come to entry. Oh hey, look, there's Mason's entry. Let's not go to it, because I'm a fucking... Should say that on TikTok, man. Fuck you, though, man. Fuck you. Do you not see GU taking out as high as accumulate? Definitely. It definitely could do, bro. It could do. But what type of trade are you going to... I mean, you can get in somewhat of a long here, I guess, towards the high, but it's not going to be a great trade, man. Let's drop down. Let's have a look what areas we could jump into. Again, in terms of the high volume, you do want to go off that DTO level. Highest volume still within that DTO. Okay, no, it's actually here now. So around where that golden zone is. Let's have something up. I want to have something up. Wait, no, I didn't want to get rid of that. Around this top gold zone, it's actually nowhere near that fair value. Let's see. Let's test it out, though, man. Again, these highs is a pretty shit trade, but I do want to test out Let's see how good the volume indicator is alongside OT level. That's exactly where that's pointing to. Again, it could just continue up, take that high, and then start having that move down. If you do get in goal from the pre-London, boys, fucking lovely stuff, man. I mean, fuck you, innit? Like, deep down, fuck you. But good job, man. Good fucking job. Good shit. Good shit. Fuck you, but good shit, man. I know you don't need telling. If anything, you were the one that taught me this, but at least you got direction correct, not the point no low. Yeah, no, that's it, bro. 100%, man. I'll be honest, every time that price doesn't come to entry, I take the benefit of, okay, cool, I got the bias right. Again, boys, it's always good to remind yourself, right? You got something right. Because these trades are annoying, but there's no point in dwelling on it, right? Entry was missed. It is what it is. Take your benefits from it. My benefit is that price just... my benefit is that, again, directional bias was bang on. Was bang on. But it is what it is, man. If we miss entry, we miss entry. Price isn't always going to come to our entry. Again, even if it come to that line, it wouldn't attack me in, right? Commission and spreads. This is sort of how the way that you are going to have less of a sort of 50-50 chance. And Lou actually deep dives into how the market isn't a 50-50. But obviously you can find your edge, which is key. Right, I rage too hard when the strategy's bang on and it just flops out of nowhere. Wait, what? What flops out? Wait, hold on, brother. What the hell do you mean? Bro, I rage too hard when the strategy's bang on. What do you mean you... Wait, what? You confusing the fuck out of me, brother. Wait, you rage when it's working? That's a disorder, brother. That's a disorder. And it just flops out of nowhere. What, bro? What do you actually mean? Like, what was that? Yo, what actually was that comment, bro? You're gonna have to... I need some analysis on that. I need some PEE on what the hell you just told me, bruv. Yeah, boys, make sure you like the scream, man. Scream. Scream. I couldn't have said that word even, like, more wrong if I tried. But, boys, make sure you do like the stream. Alright, boys, if you are on TikTok, man, come join up on YouTube. This is where we are mainly live. This is our, like, sort of main stream hub. Why am I so successful? Type shit. Type shit. That's it, gold. Hit stop loss. No, I'm playing. No, I'm playing. Okay, EU actually comes to that CR. What is up with price today? Just not really coming and taking levels and shit. But that's pretty much the 4-hour CRT. If you was able to get in along, again, fair play, bruv. Fair play. It doesn't... I know, yeah, there was potentials there. There was potentials there. Again, it's from a very, very... That's like a more of a scalpy position than an intraday position, man. Type shit. Sell GU now. Why is that, bro? It would be lovely to see price come back down to this this new day opening gap, essentially where Asia's low is, below that Friday 50 if he wants to continue that buy up. That's actually fucking sick. Looks like we could still come down on them. Probably that back down to that area looks lovely. Have I got an itch on my lip, bro? I'm not looking for gold sells, no, bro. I was actually looking for gold buys this morning. This is what I was looking at for this morning, man. Price just didn't end up coming to entry, which is a fucker. How do you use those kill zones indicator? Essentially, I mean, this indicator, boys, has everything in. If you don't yet have this indicator, by the way, we give this out to everyone who joins the Discord. So if you join the Discord, drop me a message. I'll send it over to your DMs. Add it to favourites. You can use this. But there's a lot more than just the kill zones. But what we got in here is all of the, essentially, time-based liquidity levels. So we've got the prior week range. Prior week high, prior week low, prior week 50. Already marked out for you every single morning. Prior day high, prior day low, prior day 50. Very important levels. We use these with our Asia liquidity strategy as well. And then it obviously marks out essentially the high volume times within each session. So we've got Asia session here, which is from 1 till 6. The reason we keep this open is because... Did my camera just die? I think my camera just died, bro. Hold on, motherfuckers. Should be charged. Let's find out, eh? Am I good? Am I good? I'm actually not good. Good. Maybe I'm back and I'm better. So yeah, essentially this gives us our... Let me do it without a trade in front of me. It just makes this a lot easier. Something else also not got fucking loads of shit on it. So yeah, we get the Asia session, 1 till 6. This isn't kill zones, by the way, bro. This indicator isn't for kill zones. It's for sessions. Bear in mind, kill zone's important for time trading. In terms of trading in high volume times, but in terms of the sessions, is we want the session liquidity. So we want to know essentially the whole of the session to understand where the liquidity is. So yeah, we've got the whole session marked out here. Kill zone starts from 7. Kill zone ends at 10 for the UK. So we essentially trade within this period here, right? As you can see, we've been getting fuck all recently. I mean, this is just UJ, two quite bullish currencies. But yeah, there's everything in there. But the way we really use those sessions is through looking if we've grabbed at Asia's high, Asia's low, London's high, London's low. If you trade New York, we obviously look at Asian liquidity, so we look at Asian high and Asian low. Kill zone is just the times we want to be in. Kill zone is high volume times, and that's exactly when you want to be placing your orders and getting into the market. Obviously, make sure you don't slip up by getting caught out by liquidity sweeps or stop hunts. But other than that, kill zones are the best times to trade, purely off purely based off volume. What do you think about GU sells? I think continuation of GU sells. The only reason I had this up is because someone was looking at this, but I'm honestly looking for GU to continue. Like what I was saying, we're still within this bearish range, so I can only assume that price is going to come and grab externals, right, Lou? So we want to see price come to that Friday low. We feel this imbalance to the left. We've just seen price stall. Again, just stall. It could even be wanting to get more buyers into the market so that we can go ahead and take all those bastards out. Let me make this smaller. I just realised this is in 4p. That's why it's so fucking big. So yeah, we are still within this trading range here. That is fucking thin as shit now. It's better. But I'm really looking for that main continuation move to continue on. I've been in the EU short since midnight, so close to getting stopped at BE, hoping it reverses. EU shorts. We've completed CRT now, but this is the thing, again, like on a lower time frame, this is why I'd be careful around this 4-hour imbalance that we're in. Because, yeah, price could fucking reverse, man. And this is why we're seeing that reversal. We're sort of continuing off that, that bullish 4-hour. Mace, how can you determine if you're going to see a DTO long compared to an LG short? So DTO is for a continuation, right? So if I'm looking for, let's just say for an example, let's go to gold. So I can show you what I was trying to do on gold. Essentially the trader's looking for. So 1, I'm bullish gold. Okay. 2, we're at a very low point. We come below the Friday 50. Yesterday we sweat some really low points. And we had an Asia session be continuative. What I mean by that is that we broke highs again, and just continued up, right? We just continued to break highs. So this is more of a continuation. Obviously, we're looking for buys, so I wasn't looking to short at the Asia high, especially with this volume trading through the Asia's high. I want to see continuations of the DTO. So if I'm bullish with price and we grab buy side liquidity, I will long DTO. That's just with gold at the moment. I don't trade a DTO strategy with my FX pairs at the moment, purely just for gold. The reason I'm taking advantage of gold, right now because we are in some form of modern day gold rush, and you'll be stupid to not take advantage of it. I felt stupid for not taking advantage of it for like 3-4 weeks. So now I've loaded myself up on a 200k and I'm starting to trade this. So I'm using DTOs to continue price. That's essentially what we're looking for. We've actually seen the US 10 years come up a little bit today. Quite a lot. GBC, we still haven't had open. Watch GU, let's have a little look what we do here. Again, I won't be surprised if we just do continue price this low, because we have been stalling for quite long, plus that pound is weak and that dollar is strong. So it makes sense for GU to come down. This Friday low is mainly what we're aiming for in terms of this externals. Price has been very exhaustive within this range. Buyers are really failing to obviously make a difference in the market, so we can obviously only assume that price is going to continue down. I'm going to get this off my chart, to be honest. EU's just got different plans at the moment, man. Complete different plans. That's it, gold. Fuck off. Anytime, my boy. I've been in EU short since midnight. Oh, I've already read that. Already read it. But boys, make sure you go follow us up on YouTube as well, man. Also, go watch Lou's recent video. Like I said, man, that video is fucking unreal. Go watch that. Drop some likes on it as well, boys. How many likes were in that video? Let's have a look, man. Gold's absolutely booming right now. If you're in gold, lovely stuff. How many likes is it on? Only 28, boys. Get the fuck up. It's a 30 video, man. Right, boys, we've got that 3 PM news coming, so after 3 PM, I'd say just fucking stay fucking aware of these markets, but stay fucking very aware. I'm in GU shorts. Where are you looking to short GU to? So what we expecting in the news? Nothing. We're not expecting anything, bro. It's the Trump news. We're just expecting a very impulsive move. Not expecting anything as such. Yeah, trust me, man. It's a lovely little extra confluence. GU shorts playing nice. Oh, they still going. They still going. We seen EU come down some form? No. Have we got anything coming out at the moment? Consumer confidence, existing home sales at 3 as well. FMC bar 325, natural gas. Yeah, we're not really anticipating anything. We just know the market's going to go a bit crazy. We know it's going to go a bit mental. $15-minute order block, is that what he's looking? Oh, come well nice off there. Come well nice, down to that 15 low. And again, externals looking at that Friday low. I could definitely see price coming to those levels. Weak, very weak pound, strong dollar. Very weak fucking pound. Especially FRVP. Let's have a look. Oh, very nice. Perfect. Absolutely fucking perfect. Wait, make sure you sub, man. Everyone check that you're subbed on YouTube. We're not a country mile off 3K, man. We ain't a country mile off it. Not gonna lie, GU has been where it's at for the past couple of weeks for me. EU was my main pair now. EU and GU are something. Yes, Jesse, what's good, bro? What we saying, man? I hope you're good, bro. So, Jesse, there's not been, to be fair, today's probably been the best day of the week, I'd say. I'd say today has definitely been the best day of the week. I mean, that's not really saying much though, bro. I'll be real, this week's not been great. This week's been really shit, except from today. Oh yeah, boys, we've got to wait. We essentially, what we've done we need to get numbers for the Richesse link up. We're going to be doing it on the 29th of November. So just over a month's time, we're going to be doing a Richesse link up in London. If you want to come, everyone put yourself on that wait list. We need confirmed numbers. We need confirmed numbers. So if you're looking to link up with the boys, obviously I'm going to be there, Lou's there, Stu definitely is there. If he says he's not coming, he's lying. He's definitely coming. And just meet up with the man them. Again, boys, we pretty much spend... I spend most of my hours with you, man. You, man, probably spend, like, bare your time with other people in the comments, in the Discord and stuff. Man, we've actually formed some nuts relationships. Even gay relationships. We've got a couple of gay relationships going on right now. I'm not one of them. There's a couple of relationships that have spanned... like Slappo and Mehmet. We've got who else we got? Bet, to be fair, there's been bare stuff in there. We ain't gonna talk about that though, buddy. Gold doesn't know if it's a woman or a man, bruv. Doesn't actually know if it's a human or a commodity at this point. Yeah, boys, make sure you get yourself in there if you're looking to link up with us, man. It's on a Saturday, by the way, boys. It's on a Saturday, end of November, in London, man. If you boys got any questions, just drop a message to Lou or me. EK slaps Mem in a freeway. Oh, yeah, EK sort of involved in that love triangle. It's like a love triangle going on between three dudes in the Discord. Kind of makes it sound like the link-up's going to be pretty, Ben. But it won't be. Don't worry, those three people are banned from coming. Looks like we are still... Who's still in those goal positions and how much are you boys up? How much are you boys up? Come on, boys. Keep subbing, bruv. Recent subscriber, Ray Ambler. Oh, Ray, you got some short films and shit. Nice, man. Nice. Let's see what other followers have subbed. Anyone who's got a big YouTube channel? Oh, is that an order from subscriber account? That's an order. Oh, that's last 90 days. Lifetime. African Tales Queen. That's an AI... Oh, fucking hell. So it's an AI thing. What does DTO mean? The acronym for DTO is Daily True Open. Essentially, it's one of the most it's the most highest volume points of price within a day. DTO is so important if you do trade like London session and stuff. You notice that price loves to come back to a certain area every single day, and it's the DTO. What are the details, where, etc.? Just drop us a message, bro. We'll send you some stuff. Obviously, Nick, you're quite far away, bro. But we send you DLs, man. If you're definitely, and again, boys, it's mainly just community people. Oh, bro, that was funny. Someone on the pre-London must have fell back asleep this morning, bro, and it was hilarious. Like I honestly thought it was Stu making a weird noise, because Stu sometimes when he breathes he will make like a weird noise, like he will sound like a I don't even know. It's actually his own thing. It's mad. It's crazy, bro. It's actually nuts. But yeah, bro, it weren't. It was someone fell asleep on stream. That was brilliant. That was fucking bare funny, man. DTO is not 9 AM. DTO is midnight New York time, which obviously equivalates to 5 AM in the UK. So it's a 5 AM candle. Obviously, I think you're looking at. I don't know what you got 9 AM for. But yeah, it's the 5 AM candle if you're from the UK, my boy. Alright then. Boys, make sure you man are subbed. Lions Den Trading Group. Who's that? That's alright. D&D, get in the Discord, bro. Also, man, we're live on YouTube. Whenever we're live on TikTok, we're live on YouTube, man. So come jumping up on there. We're going to look at what this 3 AM news does, and I'm probably going to jump off after that, you, man. Looks like the market's looking quite cruddy. But we'll see. This phone needs to go on charge. Theed Needle Street. Come on, I used to do work there. Theed Needle Street. Wait, what? Got an office down near bank. Theed Needle. Oh, you got an office down near bank? That's cool, man. Thread Needle. I read it as Thread Needle. I just thought it was actually you taking the piss, but Thread Needle. Nice. That's sick, man. Yeah, definitely, Nick, man. It'd be great to meet up, bro. It'd be 30. Again, there'll probably be 15 to 20 of us. Maybe a few more. But obviously, the thing is about our Discord is it's spread across the country. Everyone's from everywhere. I spelled it wrong. I bet for you Sneed Needle, bro. Had me thinking you man were just playing jokes, bro. Boys, make sure you're subbed, man. I want to hit 3K, bro. I want to get some subs on YouTube, bro. Alright. Make sure you sub up, man. Oh, I forgot to tell you before the stream starts. If you're not subbed, you get a free bang in the mouth. Do you think if I collect data for a year, I'll become better at trading? 100 million%, brother. Trading is, I mean, bro, everyone should be collecting data. You need to collect data. I still collect data of me now. Always collect data. Always journal what you've done. Always. Because you can refer back and you can understand. Honestly, if you don't journal, you will not be profitable. I promise you. You will not be consistently profitable over the course of years and years and years and years and years. Because again, that's what we're trying to do here, right? We're not trying to be here for 3, 4, 5 years and make money and do whatever and whatever the fuck. We're here. This is a career, boys. So treat it as one. Collect your data, understand yourself, understand your trading model, understand the markets, and you'll become a profitable trader. Obviously, there's a lot more variables to it than that, but that will set you up for success for sure, man. Did you take an EU sales this morning, bro? No, I've not taken EU GU trades in about a month. That's a bit of a stretch. I think I'm not even too sure when my last GU trade was. I remember we had that GU trade. I think it was start of October. Might have been end of September, start of October. Where's the information for it, Mace? Drop Lou a message, bro. Drop Lou a message now. We'll give some info in it. So you boys can see if you can actually, if you man can do it. My pal told me the other day that it's possible to become profitable in 3 months. Had to tell him he's smoking gear, mate. Yeah, that's heroin, bro. That's heroin that your boy's on. I mean, how do you know that you're profitable after 3 months? Like, how? Even if you was profitable for those 3 months, if you was profitable first month, second month, and third month, how do you know that you are profitable? Like, what? Alright, cool. Tell that. Well, I don't know if he's a trader or not. But, bro, tell him, cool. If that's the case, trade for 3 months and leave your job. Because if you're profitable in trading, there's no reason why you should be like working a job and shit. So if your boy still works and he thinks that's true, bro, tell him to quit his job after 3 months. And then watch reality hit him 6 months down the line, man. Nah, for real, that's heroin, man. That's the brown stuff, bro. That's the. What do you think about GU? Shit. Nah, GU again. Still bearish, boys. The main bias is weak. We're still looking for price to come down to external lows on the like 15 to 1 hour time frame. So I'm still looking for Friday low to get swept. GU needs to meet the 3-month IFV fair value gap. The ultimate draw of liquidity, what as in this candle's low. We've actually got some nice we've actually got some very nice CRT on there as well. Very nice CRT on that candle, bro. Holy shit. A monthly candle looks horny. I like the look of that, man. Love the look of that. Wait, what did I mark up at top? What did I mark up there? What is that box doing there? Did I just put that there? I don't know. But yeah, love that, bro. Where is that external low? That's way below prior week low, yeah. I like that, man. Yeah, G was nuts, bruv. G was bare nice. It's taking that low now. Afternoon, lad. Yeah, Slap, what's good, bro? Rihanna come through. John, I've got 2 payouts, 5% in my first 3 months of trading, and it doesn't mean I'm profitable. And he knows that, man. Being profitable over the course of 3 months, boys, doesn't mean shit. Doesn't mean shit. Again, like, there's no one can tell me that are we coming to that now? Is that daily? Or is that 4 hour? 4 hour, I think. Yeah. Well, it's kind of invalidated though, I guess. EG's continuing up, which is nice. That stronger euro over the pound, looking to come and grab that external high now. Bit of Rihanna, no cap, man. Big up Rihanna. Big up Rihanna, though, at the end of that. Do they still have office in Canary? Nah, bro. We left Canary. We went Thailand for about fucking 5 months or some shit. So yeah, we left there. We can go back there whenever we want. But bro, honestly, there is no point. I do a pre-London stream now. So when I was in Thailand, I started these pre-London streams. So yeah, I've got to be on the stream at 6:30. And for me, bro, if I was to get in the office at 6:30, then bro, it's for the stream at 6:30, I'd have to leave my house at like 5. It's just not doable, man. It's just not doable. I'd have to leave my gaff probably about 4:30, 5. to get in. And it's just, there's no point, bro. Unless I went in after, unless I did my stream from my home office and then went there. But then you got to think, if I do that, then I would come off about 8:30, 9, take an hour and a half to get into the office after grabbing Lou, and then we get in for like what? I mean, Lou's got to do the thingy stream anyway. So then it would fuck up our London stream. Like, it just don't work, bro. Like, I've gone through it bare times. It just don't work with the way we operate with, like, lives and the pre-Londons and stuff like that. Travel is time wasted. 100%, bro. It's such a wasted time. I'd honestly sooner get a gaff. Or, like, not a gaff, sorry. Gaff. Like a warehouse, bro. Somewhere closer. So, like, in between me and Lou, we can just do it from there, man. Because I miss trading with Lou, man. Or doing these lives with Lou as well. It was fun. It was good. But it's also hard, though. It's also bare hard. Because we had, like, one of the best offices in London, man. It was fucking sick. It was so cool. It was so cool. One of the nicest offices I've ever been in. One of the nicest views in London I've ever seen. And we was there for a year. We loved it, man. Nah, we was in the Wolf, bro. We was Canada Square. We was 1 Canada Square. So we was on Canada Square. Bro, the best building. The best building. In the Wolf. It was beautiful, man. Penthouse in Canary could be a shout. That could be a shout. Because again, it makes sense. If you live there, it makes sense, innit? There's no time wasted. Penthouse in the Wolf makes sense. That does make sense. We should have done that in the first place. Because, bro, like, we used to pay, like, an extra 1,500 quid in travel a month, me and Lou. Yeah, no, trust me, man. What would you say is the average time it takes for funny people to actually get a payout? 1% risk. Again, like, minimum bi-weekly. What, since, like, Julie, when you say that, are you asking, like, from the start of, like, when you start the challenge? Or from, like, once you are funded? I want to move out to Landmark East. Nice. Oh, yeah, they're nice there, bro. Could even have a look, man. I mean, when you talk about penthouses, you're talking like minimum $4 grand for maybe like $3.5 grand minimum for like the $3.5 grand's not even. That's not even a good number at all. I'd say 4 or 5 grand minimum with tax. You're paying monthly for a decent one. You're just moving nice. Gold's moving bare nice. Fuck you, Gold, man. It took 6 months to pass from funded. Yeah, challenge, I'd say to pass phase 1, phase 2 of a challenge, 3 months, 3-4 months for me is calm. 3-4 months, 5-6 months. All that time is calm. In terms of getting like payout after getting funded, anywhere from 2 weeks to a month. So once you're funded and you're not a dickhead, you will get a payout within 2 weeks to a month. Most people in my Discord, I'll be real, if you get funded, you do end up getting your first payout. This is what we was looking at. When you say Landmark East, we're talking about the Pinnacle, right? Landmark Pinnacle, yeah? Wait, Lou, we should get a 1-bedroom apartment. Pricing starts from $1 million, like, bruv. First of all, I wouldn't buy one. I'd fucking rent one. There's no way I'm buying one. To be fair, actually, buying a penthouse like that would be fucking sick. Three-bedroom apartment. How nice of them was. Oh, starting from 1.5 million. certain gas are unreal. These are unreal, man. Mate's been hella fruity today, I can't lie. Fuck you, man. Great investment, to be fair. Yeah, no, I've noticed, like, just got like, this would probably be an insane investment. 940k, that's not awful, bro. Oh, that's not awful. Say you play... Yeah, it's close to JP, this one. This is the one. 975 grand. Let's say you put 20% down. Alright. What is it? 975. 975,000. I've done that math horribly wrong. I'm assuming you'd pay like nearly 200 grand if it's 20%, if that makes sense. Yeah, you're paying like 200 grand. 20% you're gonna have to put down. It's fucking... That's a lot. It's a lot of money. Maybe 15% up front. Maybe you're looking like 142? 975,000, 15%, 146,250. Okay, yeah, so that you'd look to put down like 150 grand minimum for a gaff like that. But then bear in mind you've got like stamp duty and all fucking legal fees, conveying and all that fucking bullshit. Unless, I mean, I'm assuming that doesn't come with it. I mean, I've never bought a gaff before, but I sort of know how it works. Yeah, true that, to be fair. Do Abel in a good few years for them for sure. Wait. Yeah, no, 100%. Have to earn 188k on paper to mortgage it, though. Yeah, you need to earn a lot of money. Bit more than that, actually, isn't it? 195, isn't it? Mace, have you hit 7 figures through trading yet? No, not yet, bro. Not yet, man. Our time's coming, man. We're patient. We're very patient people, me and Lou. Our time's coming for a milli from trading. Have a look at PRQ Suites on live, bro. See if you rate it. I know the owner. Oh, nice, bro. Fucking nice. Just have a look. PIQ. Wait, what? That's a fucking... Wait, hold on. Wait, where are we at, Lou? Let me know where to type up here. Why am I getting a... Bro, is that a prop firm I'm getting? Oh no, it's just... I don't know what that is. Let me know what it is, Lou. What it's called. Or send me a link if you can on Discord or something. Oh, that is it. Wait, what the fuck is it? Oh, when it's like Bloomberg. Oh, bro, when you said PRQ suites, bro, I bare thought you meant apartments in it. I like mad thought you said apartments. Where's my fucking Safari at? Fast, easy, and reliable information aggregation wherever you are. That is quite sick. Information that matters to you. Our platform provides everything you need to make informed trading decisions, all in a single intuitive tab. Agnostics, trustworthy, and fully customizable platform is adaptable to your unique needs, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader. This looks fucking sick, to be fair. Oh shit, man, this is nuts, bro. This is sick. Let's fucking get started for free. Yeah, we'll do that after. Oh shit, it's like a fucking terminal, bro. Oh, no way, bro. This is sick. Yo, this is crazy, man. That's more stocks. Routers. Routers is what we want. Oh, shush. Ooh. Yeah, bro, I like this, man. You'd also have to customize like your front page and that to obviously what you trade, but this is sick. CME Group, PRQ feeds, all news, Bitcoin, blockchain. That's more moving into crypto. Trading views, heat map for currencies. This is what we would normally like to take. This is more economical. ECBs, yeah, bro, this is nuts, man. This is sick. I'm not gonna lie. And they're thinking by Pepperstone, that's quite sick. Partnered with, yeah, that's sick. CME Group, what's this? Tools and resources, trading simulator. Trading simulator. I'm assuming they're partnered with these guys or some shit. No, that's nuts, man. Look at that, that is quite nuts. Introduction to FX, what's on here? Okay, so it's just basic knowledge on the market. Apps and feeds, partner feeds. And yeah, I'm sure you can take them on, take them off. Yeah, that's sick. Bro, this is nuts. I'm not gonna lie, that's actually fucking lit. Oh, fuck with that, I'm gonna keep down this tab. Yeah, that's actually nuts. They have news come out every minute. It's sick. Yeah, bro, that's like a proper terminal, that. Oh, my leg's gone, like, numb. Pins and need, like, proper numb. Honestly, bro, I swear down, if one of you man just fucking dropped a... Bro, you could punch me right on my foot and I wouldn't feel... Holy fuck. Pins and needles is such a weird thing. Yeah, no, that is nuts, Lou. I'm going to use that from now on. Yeah, that's sick. Yeah, I think I remember you telling me about that. That's cold. I think it was when it might have been in development or something. I'm not too sure. But yeah, that's nuts, man. Boys, make sure you man are all subbed on the YouTube, man. 158 subs in the last 28 days. 158 subs in 28 days. Is that good? I guess it's quite good. I guess it's alright. Yeah, no, that's lit. We didn't even get that speech come out at the end, did we? I don't think. Is it coming out later? We've got to be getting minimum 1k views on each YouTube video now, though, man. We have to. Need at least 1k views on each video from now on. Right, boys, I'm going to jump off now because the market's not doing much. We're not getting much come out, to be honest. Yeah, that PRQ suite's sick. That's cool. I'm going to dive into this. I want to have a look at this. But, boys, I'm going to bake off, go chill out. Appreciate man for joining. Was unlucky on gold, not getting in. GU smashed, pardon me, TP. Lovely stuff, man. Friday tomorrow, boys. So, again, pre-London in the Discord to everyone. So, normally we do the pre-Londons just to the members at 6:30, just to the mentoring students. But, obviously, every Friday, I don't trade, so we'll be doing it to the free Discord. So, boys, make sure you're in there. If you boys wake up early for the markets, join the Discord. I'll be in a call at 6:30. We can look at the markets together. I go through my whole technical standpoint of the markets. Not only that, I also go through the fundamental outlook. But, yeah, I'll see you, man, then. Appreciate you for joining. Hope you man enjoyed it. You got any questions about anything I said, boys, don't hesitate to shout me. I'm active for the rest of the day. I'm probably going to be sitting in like a dickhead watching the news for hours. So feel free to come drop me a message, man.